Box.
And here we go, round one.
Round one gets underway.
As you can see, blue has the reach advantage. He's long and tall.
Basically, the tactics should be a taller boxer has the reach advantage, and his job would be to keep the opponent out and not to indulge in infighting. At the moment, they had a little infighting exchange.
And as you can see, red is trying to get inside that reach, and he's almost succeeding to get some good punches inside.
This will be a very key bout from these two boxers from the former Soviet area.
Mr. Priyantha, what do you think about this pace? They have already thrown up to 40 punches.
Yes, they are set a very fast pace, as you say. It all depends how they can maneuver the 3 rounds, because these are 3 rounds of 3 minutes each, which is the adult time period. Earlier, the schoolboys used to fight about 1.5 minutes.
And he gets a count, the man in red. Yeah. A straight punch.
Got a good punch, and the referee is giving him a standing mandatory count.
He's covering the gap, Mr. Priyantha.
Yeah.
The man in red is just walking in with head movement, combinations, breaking the reach that blue has in his advantage.
Blue is trying hard to keep the opponent at bay, but Nұрсұлтан is coming forward and taking the fight to him. And he is scoring with a few body blows, as you can see. And to the head.
He's putting
body
some
and head.
Hard pressure from the man in red from Kazakhstan. He's not giving blue the chance to set his pace. And that's the end of the first round. And as you can see on the scorecards, red gets the lead in this first round. Nullifying the game plan that blue has to keep his opponent behind the reach. Red succeeded to cover the gap, and
with nutritional grains for dynamic youth, giving you energy and high protein at any time of the day. Maliban Nutrifix cereal bars, the energy style for the youth lifestyle.
Round 2.
Second round gets underway, and straight away Nұрсұлтан is on the offensive.
Pressure.
For a punch to be a scoring blow, it has to be delivered with weight on the target area. On the target area, it has to be delivered with weight. Just a tap doesn't constitute a scoring blow. That's what the judges watch and they count, and that's what they put onto their score sheets. So the scoring blow is important. blows on the arms don't constitute scoring blows.
Oh, that's another good punch from Red.
2,
He's
3,
really starting to
4,
land his
5,
cross through.
7, 8, box.
And he's looking really much more comfortable in the beginning of the second round. Nұрсұлтан from Red. Mr. Priyanka, do you see that Blue is missing a lot of his punches now?
Yes, and he is not making use of his height and reach advantage. Unfortunately, it's getting nullified by Red, who is moving close and boxing tactfully.
Yes, he's taking all his benefits out. It's the head movement. It's not that he's only so strong, he's also moving his head. Oh, that's a good body shot from Red. Both fighters inside the pocket, working some body punches. Red getting the best out of it.
Nұрсұлтан is indulging in a little infighting, which is the tactic with a taller opponent.
He's digging into that body.
Yes, you can see body and face. He's scoring with punches to the body and face. I'm sure the referee might give another count to Rustam.
Stop!
End of round 2.
We have a look at the replay, the highlights. Oh, there we go. That was the punch that led to the count for the man in red. Came back stronger the second round, and he did a better job with taking.
Step up your game with bets.com. Experience all your favorite games in one place. Join thousands of winners and bet smarter. Visit bets.com today.
Let's see what happens the third round. Will the man in red get another count and finish the fight, or will it go distance? Round 3. The man in red is looking really relaxed and confident.
Yes, he's not going flat out because I think he knows he has it sewn up.
He's almost gesturing Blue to hit him. He's like, come on, let's go.
Referee Susanta Veerasena is having a close watch on the two boxers.
Because one punch can finish it. They're strong, strong guys.
Two minutes more in this last round. Unless Rustam pulls out all his tops, I have my doubts whether he can pull it off.
That's a great combination. A hook, straight hand, a 3-2 combination.
Red cautioned.
What do you think about this fighters' movements at this weight category, Mr.
Well,
Brown?
I think they move quite well. They are quite fluid in their movements. They are not flat-footed.
And they're really big.
Of course,
and
the higher you go, the I mean, the footwork gets a little less, but then Muhammad Ali was supposed to, they used to say that Muhammad Ali used to go faster backwards than other boxers used to go forward. So it doesn't mean the weight only, it all depends on the flexibility and the talent and the training of a boxer, but basically the lower weight boxers are faster.
It's a great combination from Red. Final 10 seconds of the last round. And that's the end of the bout. We go to the judges' scorecard. What do you think, Mr. Priyantha? Who has the edge?
I would give my verdict to Red.
Yes, me too. He clearly did what he had to win the bout.
The winner of this bout by points, unanimous decision, is red corner, Qыстаубай Nұрсұлтан representing Kazakhstan.
Red gets the victory with a unanimous decision.
He's a 17-year-old boy.